This course has made at least $88,600 in sales. In this video, I'm going to break down the website that helped the seller make this much money, Gumroad. I'll also explain how you can use this to sell digital products and make passive income. If you want an even deeper, more detailed blueprint with expert advice on how to sell your digital products to hundreds of thousands of people, click the link in the description. This will give you access to all the information you'll ever need, masterclasses, and advice from successful sellers who are making at least 6 figures a year from their digital products. Step 1. Get set up with Gumroad. The first thing you need to do is head to Gumroad's website. When you land on their homepage, you'll see a button that says Start Selling. Go ahead and click on that. Then sign up for an account using one of these options. After you've verified your account and signed in, you'll be taken to the Gumroad dashboard, which is the main control center where everything happens. Before we start adding any products, I want to show you how to customize your account so it looks professional. First, look for your name in the bottom left corner. Click on it, then click on Profile. Then click on Edit Profile in the top left corner. Here's where you can set up all the important stuff, like your profile picture, display name, and bio. Adding a profile picture is important because it makes your account look trustworthy. You don't need a professional headshot or anything fancy. Just upload a clear image of yourself or your logo if you have one. For your display name, use your real name or your brand name, whichever makes sense for what you're selling. For the bio, keep it simple but clear. For example, you could write, I create digital products to help you learn photography faster, or I sell original music loops for video editors. Just make sure your bio tells people what you do and why they should care. Now let's move on to the important part, payouts. After you set up your profile, click on the payout section on the left. Click on Settings. This is where you'll enter your payment information so Gumroad knows where to send your money. If you're in the United States, you can connect your bank account. If you're outside the US, you can still get paid through PayPal, which makes it super convenient no matter where you live. Once your profile and payment settings are ready, we're going to upload your first digital product. Don't worry, this is easier than it sounds, and I'll explain everything as we go. If you don't have a digital product yet, make sure to check out the other videos on my channel where I take you through how to create digital products step by step. Step 2. Upload your first digital product. From your dashboard, on the homepage, you'll see a button that says Create Your First Product. Click on that, and Gumroad will ask you to choose the type of product you want to sell. You'll see options like digital product, membership, ebook, and course or tutorial. Since we could be selling a whole range of different digital products, we can just select digital product. The next step is to give your product a name in this text box up here. Be clear and descriptive here. For example, if you're selling a guide on how to learn guitar, don't just write guitar guide. Be specific, like beginner's step-by-step guide to learning guitar. A clear title tells customers exactly what they're getting and makes your product sound more valuable. After naming your product, scroll down a little and Gumroad will ask you to set a price. Now, this part can be a bit tricky if you're new to selling. If you're not sure what to charge, here's a tip. Start with a price that reflects the value of your product but doesn't scare people off. For example, if you're selling a short ebook, you might price it at $5 or $10. If it's a longer, in-depth guide or course, you can charge $20, $50, or even more. Gumroad also has an option where you can let customers pay what they want. This means they can choose to pay more than the listed price if they really love your product. It's a great feature because sometimes people will surprise you and pay extra just to support you. You can set this up later, but for now, set your base price. Once you set the price, click Next. Now let's make your product page look good. This is important because your product page is like your sales pitch. It's where customers decide whether or not to buy. Start by filling out this box where you can write your product description. This is where you explain what your product is and why someone should buy it. Don't just say, this is an ebook about photography. Instead, tell them what's inside and how it will help them. For example, this beginner's photography guide includes 50 pages of tips and tricks to help you master your camera, improve your composition, and start taking professional-looking photos in no time. Be specific about what the buyer will get and how it benefits them. Next, upload a cover image for your product. This could be a graphic, a mock-up, or anything that visually represents what you're selling. If you don't have any design skills, you can use free tools like Canva to create something simple and eye-catching. Just make sure that your cover image is in JPG, PNG, or GIF file formats. The cover image should also be around 1600 by 900 pixels for the dimensions, and the file size should be under 5 megabytes. Once you've written the description and uploaded a cover image, Gumroad gives you the option to add additional details like customizing your URL, uploading a thumbnail, adding a summary for the product info, and adding any details. You can also add integrations like inviting your customers to a Circle community or Discord server. You can also offer variations of your product and adjust the settings down here. Fill out as much as you can and make sure to use relevant keywords throughout. This will help Gumroad show your product to the right people. On the right, you'll be able to see a preview of your listing to see what it would look like to potential customers. Once you've finished filling out your product page, click on the Content tab. Here, you can add files like PDFs, images, audio files, or any other type of content you want to deliver to your customers. You can even embed videos, which is helpful for explaining the value of your content to potential buyers. You can also organize everything to make it clear and easy to read. Once you've uploaded your content and you're happy with your product page, click on Publish and Continue. Your product is now live. Gumroad will give you a link to your product page, and you can start sharing it right away. Step 3. Drive traffic to your Gumroad listing. At this point, your product is live, but now you need to get people to see it. There are a few ways to do this. The easiest way is to share your product link on social media. Post it on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or even TikTok. If you have friends or followers who might be interested, let them know about it. You can also share the link in forums, groups, or anywhere else your target audience hangs out online. Once a customer makes a purchase, Gumroad will handle delivering your digital product to them. Selling digital products on Gumroad is one of the easiest ways to start making money online. You don't need a website, you don't need to deal with payment processors, and you don't need to manually send files to customers. Gumroad takes care of all of that for you, so you can focus on creating and sharing your products. If you have any questions about how to sell and create digital products, or if you want to learn more specific hacks, click the link in the description to join our free Wealthy Club school community. Inside, we share exclusive tips and updates on making money online, and we even do weekly giveaways. It's completely free, and you'll be surrounded by people who are also making money online like you, so check that out. Have you used Gumroad before, or are you planning to? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful or interesting, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.